Hello wonderful teachers, welcome to another exciting video from Marble Run Math for Teachers. Today, we have a delightful math lesson specially designed for our little learners in preschool and kindergarten. We're going to dive into the world of number awareness for numbers 1 to 10 using marble runs and our adorable number puppets. It's going to be a lot of fun. To make this lesson even more effective, we have created a downloadable lesson plan available on our Teachers Pay Teachers shop. You can find the link to this resource in the description below. It's packed with activities that will help reinforce number awareness in a fun and engaging way. If you'd like to replicate the activities shown in this video, we've made it super easy for you. In the description below, you will find affiliate links to Amazon for all the products we used, including the marbles and marble runs. Grab them, join the fun, and support our channel. We hope you and your students enjoy this video as much as we enjoyed making it. Please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest fun-filled lessons. Let's make learning math an adventure together. And here's a little joke to bring some giggles to your day. Why was 6 afraid of 7? Because 7, 8, 9. Thank you for watching and happy teaching.
Marble Run Math, come join the fun. Exploring math while the marbles run. Let's use our brains to explore and play in the world of math every single day. So let's start our adventure. Come on, let's go. Marble Run Math, there's so much to know.
I'm 0 as you can see. No marble to run for me. I represent nothing, that's true. But without 0, what would you do? How would 1 become 10? How would 2 become 20? There's a lot that I do. It's nothing new, and lots that I represent. With me, a 3 becomes 30. For 45, 50, it's true. I hold a space with nothing in place. For a digit, a lot, or a few. 6 becomes 60, 70 to boot. 80 and 90 you cannot dispute. I'm important, you see. 0's a hero to me. But put me next to a 10. That's a 0 again and again. 100 I make, it's by no mistake. 0 is great to the end.
Hey there everyone, I'm number 1 and I'm here to show how fun it is to be just one. Let's watch this marble go. Look at that marble zoom, just one upon the track. It rolls and spins and makes a turn, then it comes right back. Here comes the marble once again, it's ready for some more. One marble racing down the path, can you hear it roar? Check it out. One marble spins and oh, what fun it brings. Fast or slow, one marble show, it does amazing things. There it is folks, one marble, the number 1 and the word 1. Oh, anyone, remember, it only takes 1 to have fun.
Everyone, I'm number 2, dressed in my pink hue. We got 2 marbles this time, let's see what they can do. 2 marbles rolling side by side, they're racing down the slide. They twist and turn and make you smile. What a fun-filled ride! Here they come, those 2 marbles, spinning all around. 2 marbles flying down the track, listen to their sound.
Hi there friends, I'm number 3, I've got a special spree. We'll watch 3 marbles race and roll, come along with me. 3 marbles zooming down the track, oh what a sight to see. They loop and swoop and race around, let's count them 1, 2, 3. Look, those 3 marbles go, they're having so much fun. 3 marbles dashing, crashing through, they shine like the sun. Round and round, 3 marbles bound in every single spin. With 3 marbles, the fun triplets, let's watch them roll again. Here they are, those 3 marbles, with the number 3 so free. Howdy on number 4, get me the company. We got 4 marbles ready to roll. We'll make this song complete. 4 marbles racing down the track. They twist and turn and soar. Count them out, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's watch them go some more. Here come those 4 marbles again. They're racing fast and true. 4 marbles dashing through the course just for me and you. Round they go, 4 marbles show they whirl and spin and slide. With 4 marbles run wild, it's a real fun ride. There you have it, folks. 4 marbles, the number 4 word for.
Oh, darlings, I'm number 5, glamorous and grand. We've got 5 marbles ready to roll. Let's give them a hand. 5 marbles gliding down the track. They sparkle as they race. Count them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What a lovely pace. Look at those 5 marbles go. They shine and shimmer bright. 5 marbles twirling down the path. Such a dazzling sight. Round and round, 5 marbles round. They swirl and spin with glee. With 5 marbles in the race, it's a show for you and me. There they are, those 5 marbles with the number 5 so fine. F-I-V-E, 5, with 5 marbles, we always shine.
Howdy, folks. I'm the number 6 with my stylish stash. We've got 6 marbles ready to roll. Let's make a splash. 6 marbles zooming down the track. They twirl and whirl and flare. Count them now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Look at them there. Watch those 6 marbles again, rolling with such style. 6 marbles dashing down the path. They go the extra mile. Round they go, 6 marbles showing every twist and spin. With 6 marbles racing fast, let's watch them once again. There they are, those 6 marbles show in every twist and spin. With 6 marbles racing fast, let's watch them once again. There they are, those 6 marbles with the number 6. So slick, S-I-X 6. With 6 marbles we make it quick, quick.
Hi there, friends. I'm number 7, feeling lucky and bright. We've got 7 marbles ready to roll. Let's start their flight. 7 marbles racing down the track. They twist and turn and spin. Count them now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What a win! Look at those 7 marbles go, singing side by side. 7 marbles dashing down the path. What a thrilling ride! Round and round, 7 marbles bound in every single spin. The 7 marbles rolling fast, the fun will never end.
Rolling all in line, even while 8 marbles dashing down the path. They're looking mighty fine. Round they go, 8 marbles show in every twist and spin. With 8 marbles rolling fast, let's watch them once again. There they are, those 8 marbles with the number 8 so great. E-I-G-H-T-A. With 8 marbles we celebrate. Oh, 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 oh.
Nine marbles zooming down the track. They twist and turn or fine. Count them now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Look at those 9 marbles go, racing side by side. 9 marbles dashing down the path. What a thrilling ride! Round they go, 9 marbles show in every single spin. With 9 marbles rolling fast, the fun will never end. There they are, those 9 marbles with the number 9. So fun and N-I-N-E 9. With 9 marbles we're feeling fine.
Hello, fellas. I'm number 10, the biggest of the crew. Got 10 marbles ready to roll. Let's see what they can do.
10 marbles racing down the track. They twist and turn, hooray.
Counting down
begun. Two marbles gather, they spin around, bouncing off walls, racing sound. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, keep the pace. Marble dance in playful space. 6, 7, 8, fast or slow. Down the right path, marbles go. Twist.